Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ad-hoc commands in Ansible. What is ad-hoc command? Ad-hoc commands are used to run commands to perform actions. It uses the slash user slash bin slash Ansible command design tool on one or more methods. If you want to run a single command on n number of nodes, then you can use ad-hoc command. What is the syntax? You will specify a command hyphen a parameter. Hyphen a means ad hoc. Hyphen a is ad hoc parameter. And after using ad hoc command, if you want to specify any module also, you can use hyphen a parameter. Okay. Now I will start with a basic example of ad hoc command. If you want to reboot test servers host group, suppose you have 20 servers under test servers group. You have to write Ansible, then the hostname means the test servers, then hyphen a means ad hoc command. What will be the ad hoc command? Slash sbin slash reboot. Then those 20 servers under test servers host group will be rebooted. Suppose now next example is of hyphen f module parameter. If you are introducing a module, if you want to use the Ansible's built-in services, you can use hyphen m parameter if you want to use built-in modules of Ansible. Okay, now let's see the example. Suppose you want to start an Nginx service. What will be the command? Ansible host group means test servers hyphen m what module Ansible dot built-in dot service hyphen a, then the name of the service Nginx and the state equal to started. What this command will do? It will use the Ansible built-in service module, and in that ad hoc, what would be the ad hoc command? The name of the service is Nginx, and what should be the state? Started. So it will start the Nginx on those 20 nodes under the test servers host. Suppose you want to restart it, the command will be Ansible test servers hyphen m Ansible.builtin.service hyphen a, then the name of the service, that is Nginx, and the state equal to restarted. Now, if you want to stop a service, stop an Nginx service, the command will be Ansible test servers hyphen m Ansible.builtin.service hyphen a, then the name of the service is Nginx and the state equal to stop. Okay guys, this is going to be a really short video. I've just explained what is ad hoc command. What is ad hoc command? If you want to run a specific command, if you want to execute a single task on a node or a number of nodes, you will use ad hoc command, and I've specified you with two examples. First is just using hyphen a and ad hoc command. Second is using hyphen m and an hyphen a, specifying a module and then specifying an ad hoc command using that module. Okay guys, I hope you have understood this concept and you like the video. Do subscribe our channel and do like the video. Thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video.